Welcome to the Vortex, the Time Vortex. This is Strato Time, Lord Strato, here for another episode of Bevo Teck Pack Reborn. So, I'm ahead of the game on myself in some ways and behind in others, but you know what? I got everything that's needed. I've got the heavy-duty plate, the thrusters, the boosters, the rocket to upgrade, the book to check, hey! Ooh, alternative steel. Seems there may be other ways to make steel. Good on you for finding them, although they don't look too easy to make. We'll have to keep an eye out on our space travels. That was a surprise. I had made the reinforced iron ingot as a side thing because I needed more iron. So that's the task I'd been missing there to get all quests complete. Huzzah! That's what I needed. So I need to make another tier 4 and a tier 5 rocket for that one. Oh wow, I just need to make those. I'm not gonna make them right now. I gotta make all the materials for them. But cool, I can complete hoarding soon. I've got becoming an android. I can't do magnet craft. For some reason it crashes. So magnet craft is literally not happening. That's why I haven't touched magnet craft at all. Let's see, adamantite ores are ordering. I need 32. Give me a second. There, you have it. I don't care if it took it or just wanted to see. Rewards, a tier 5 rocket. Claim reward. Hey, with that I only have to make a tier... Just another tier 4 rocket now. I'm getting surprises! What a rocket. Make a tier 6. Gotcha. So, right. And the blood moon is rising. Well, let's make this tier 4 rocket and let's get off planet before this blood moon gets up. Not that it's much of a hassle anymore. Whoa. I made all these extras because I was like, oh, I'm going to be making, you know, a tier 7, a tier 8. What am I going to need? I'm going to need these and these and these. I hope it's the right type. Yes! Oh, phew. I'm like, I thought I made 64. Tier 6 rocket obtained. That one. Go to Protagus. Neptune's Moons. Space race is almost over. Let's see if Bevo LJ was here. Be sure to grab some platinum ore from Proteus so you can progress. You can also find tungsten ores here which don't have much use, except maybe they can be turned into steel. Steel block, block of mana steel, block of diamond. Pick one. I'll probably take the mana steel blocks. because I'm mass producing the others. Okay then. This was on Neptune's Moons. It wasn't on Neptune's Moons. How does this man travel so fast? There's only a couple of places left to go. Tier 7 rocket is needed to go far. Tier 7 blueprints are found in dungeons on Proteus, Neptune's moon. And with all these distractions, it's getting darker and darker. I'm not going to need that anymore. Let's get out of here, shall we? I wonder where the moon's at before I launch. Not quite to half-mast in the sky. Ooh, and away we go. Just wait. Just wait. There we go. I'm trying to go to Probus. Was it a Neptune's moon, Probus? Aha! Launch. Here we go. Oh, crap! I noticed something earlier, probably before I was recording, is I noticed there was a Tier 2 thermal. And I was like, oh! I need to make this Tier 2 thermal. It's probably what I need. I mean, yeah, I've been getting away without it, but it should have really been in the book saying, make sure to build Tier 2 thermal. I'd have been like, oh, let me build Tier 2 thermal and swap out for that. Yeah! Oh my gosh. No wonder I'm taking damage sometimes. It's so dark. Right. Before I get out of this thing. I want the rocket more than anything. Hacha! Go away, balloon. Wow! That is blue. Hello, dungeon. There's a meteorite that just hit. Interesting brick color. I was like, is that zombie keeping up with me? No. Get wrecked, boss slime! Don't touch it, it burns. Oh, I just realized I have a problem. I forgot to leave some stuff behind. Just normally. Luckily I can throw some stuff in here and just be like, go away. Go away. Go away. Okay. Let's come over here. Yes, Rocketeer 7. Good. There we go. Let's grab the rest of this. I'm going to hold on to that for a bit. Let's put it up here. The reason I want to hold on to this is because I want to force the unknown dimlets that are in the system to go through it. Okay, let's make sure that's complete. Triton is next. Triton is next. Okay, so I cannot complete this one until Triton is done. Off we go to Triton. Off to Trident. Like, it's Triton is so close to Trident. I'm like, aha, we're going to the Trident. That's kind of what I want to say. Hey, the blood moon is still up. It's almost daybreak. Again, I wish there was a more permanent setup. I would rather have to set up permanent setups, so I have to, you know, I probably say this like every episode I do, but the reason I want the more permanent setup is so I don't have to reset the base. Even if I would have to set up multiple locations and, you know, use tanks or whatever to transfer fuel in one way, fashion, or another, I'd rather do that. Get them, androids! Go, go, go! Get them, Pauls. Go, Pauls. Go! Kill, Paul. Kill! Launch. It would be different. I mean, the rockets would be nice if they were trained fuel too, so it's like if you had enough fuel to then launch again, it would be possible, but I think that would be more dependent upon distance. As well, like, you can take a tier 1 rocket and go further, but, I mean, like, I'd have to build a base on Mars, and then I'd have to fly over to Sirius. Right. No. Triton! I'm going to Triton. Are you Triton? You're Triton. Launch to Triton. Ah, that's kind of interesting. Ooh, give me that and that. Okay, now I'm on Triton. Now that I'm on Triton, again, I'm going to take the Mana Steel. Okay, now I've already got the plans for this. Nah, I'll take the tanks. This rocket is massive, tier 7 rocket. Which is gonna take me a little time to build. Right, I did mention, yes, I found this. The thermal... Wait, that's protection. See, tier 2 thermal. Thermal cloth, which requires wool, compressed cobaltium and redstone. I've got the compressed cobaltium. So let's get out of here. Whoa. Ugh. That was surprising. Okay, put those away. Do we have extra wool in here? There's some red wool randomly. I need 2 for that other tier 4 rocket I need to build, I think. I might need, no, I'm probably going to need more yellow wool than that. There's what I need. So wool. Red. Put the red in the middle. Surrounded by wool. Blech. I can make pants. And boots. Did I have any extra cobaltium? Yes! That's enough for a helmet. That is enough for helmet. Let's get this helmet piece. I need 8 for the chest piece. That is quite annoying. 6, 7, 8. That was 7. Ended up being 5. That also ended up being 5. Oops. Drop one there. There we go. Sweet. Split that. Dead on. Bam! Upgraded that. So for the Tier 7 rocket, Heavy Duty Plate 7, Orichalcum, Platinum, Mithril. So Mithril and Mana Infused. Mana Infused. So I have everything to make it, but rather than keep this episode too long, but there is one thing I want to test before we go. Since we know Cirrus was hostile to me before, we've got the Tier 2, let's see if it's still hostile to me. We're like, oh, run away. Nope, I needed the Tier 2 stuff. It's no longer hostile to me. Huzzah. That answers that question. So I will not have to be running through, going ow, 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 ow sometimes. So I'll work on getting the rest of that stuff taken care of for the next rocket, and get to the other Tier 4 rocket built as well, so that we can get those ready to go. As for now, this is Strato, Time Lord Strato, signing out.